you know Pattinson before? Had you met him before?
No, I didn't know him at all.
So
no.
you know, have you heard of the Twilight series?
Well, I'd heard of the Twilight series, but I had not seen them.
Right.
And so I didn't even know he was English. I thought, why is he putting on the English accent? It's like, what's up with that, man? What's up with the English accent? No, I really didn't know anything about him.
So when you know you have to do this huge anchor scene in a film, and you got to walk into this, and it's with a guy that you don't know that much about, what's that experience like?
Well, that happens a lot, that you walk into scenes. I mean, I've had things where you have to be in bed with somebody, having sex with them, and you just meet them, and you're like, well, here we go, good luck. Good luck, here we go, rolling. You know, I mean, I've had that, so it can always be harrowing, but...
I read that was in the original version of the script with you and Robert.
Yes, it was. We were going to be in bed together, but I penciled that out. To be honest, I was nervous as hell about it, as I said, and I got there, didn't know him at all, walked in the room, and the dude sitting across from me was great. He was super present. He knew what he was doing. He was deep in it. He had a hold of the language in a way I didn't. He was loose and ready to go, and he put me at ease.